Richard, you guys have the struggles you guys went through earlier in the season. Now the adjustments you guys made, whether it's between weeks or in games, I feel like it's showing why Mike Bobo was hired for this job.
Well, how can I answer that?
I don't know. I mean,
You answered yes.
You just answered yes. That's fine.
Yeah. I feel like everything's coming along, and it's just the fact that we never gave up. I know we started off the year a little sluggish, but now it's starting to pay off.
How fun is it to get one-on-one coverage like you're getting today?
It feels good. Just knowing when somebody man up one-on-one with me, I know majority of the time the ball might be coming to me on that play, so I just know when the ball in the air, it's mine. So I got to get it and I got to have it.
Did you see a lot of maturation from Nick too, just the way he was making reads out there tonight?
Yeah, it looked like Nick was playing pretty good today. He completed majority of his throws, and we'll see on film what he needs to improve on as well as the rest of the team.
After 3 and 5 start, what's it mean to be bowl eligible?
It means a lot. I know just how we started the year off. Who would have thought we would be bowl eligible right now? So that just goes to just never quit at whatever you do, and always have faith.
What does it mean to you to be the career receiving leader now? You have the record now for career catches.
Yeah, I know going into this game, I needed a couple more catches, and I just told myself, man, before the year, that was a goal that I wanted to accomplish before the year was done, and I'm glad it happened in the New Mexico game.
Yeah. Have you ever talked to David Anderson, met David Anderson, the guy whose records you're breaking?
I didn't.
No?
No, I didn't. I never have.
Richard, just is there anything you've done differently the last few weeks? The coach makes it sound like you're doing different things in practice and other things to where, you've really become the go-to player for this team.
Yeah, I just feel like I'm practicing at 100%. I feel like I told y'all before, early in the year, I was a little banged up, but now I'm just giving it my all, and when we come out here game day, it's really showing.
By
Was there a little
winning,
bit of-
by winning Air Force won by you guys winning, Air Force won the division.
Yeah.
Do you mind doing Air Force a favor?
You know what, man? At the end of the day, we can only do what we do. I wish we can get a couple of those games back that we lost, but it all happens for a reason.